If you're building a resume that actually looks professional and doesn't need Word or Photoshop, Canva makes it free and easily. So let's get started. We're going to be picking a resume template, customize it with your info, and even try with the artificial intelligence to make this process in a very easy way. So before we continue, for example, what I'm going to do here is to focus directly with the actual information we're going to be looking out for this specific tutorial. So here, for example, this is all of the actual information that we'll be using for the actual template of in this case, the CV, the professional portfolio. So as you can see, we have a name, we have an actual career, we have the actual contact information, there's a professional summary, core skills, we have professional experience, education and certifications, and personal projects. Usually those are the most common ways how we can actually get started with an actual template. So the first and most easiest way to do this is by going directly into the create section. Inside create, what you gotta do is go for what would you like to create. Let's go here. You can use the email or your Google account when you sign in, but here what you want to do is to look out for the element that says resume. Inside here, you want to look out for the element that says CV portrait and click directly inside here. This will be popping up and sending us directly into this new tab where it should be showing us the actual editor, where here we can actually see now an actual preview of what it appears to be some letter of a resume. So what you want to do is to open an actual template. So click into the template you like the most and click into customize this template, or just click directly into use this actual template. So this is like the most easiest way to get started with an actual template, and really easily, and you might be saying like an emergency solution for this kind of elements. For example, let's say that I kind of like this one. Automatically this curriculum marketing resume will be imported directly inside here. What I just need to do is to change all the information that I currently have. For example, here I copy this info and I paste it directly inside here. You can see that the actual format will be appearing directly inside here, and I don't have to do absolutely anything inside that. So as you can see, this is like the most easiest way to be working with templates. That's the reason why everybody loves to use Canva, because Canva gives you the opportunity to make this kind of elements and you don't have to do like a lot here. So there's no science in here. By editing all of these tools, what I'm actually doing, as you can see into this specific tutorial, is to just copying and paste all the actual information. And now, for example, let's assume that you wanted to change colors, you wanted to change more elements, or there's elements that you don't want it to see. For example, this one appears to be in Spanish, so I can now change this for about me. I can double click directly inside this element, double click, and I paste it. But let's say what happens when there are a few elements that appears to be more information and there's no space directly inside here. You don't have to worry about that. You can go and just, let's say for example, select all of the elements that you would like to move and just move them like this, or even delete them if you wanted to, for example like this. And you can just select them and put that somewhere else. Something that I loved to do is to add another page, so I can take information, I can cut it out and put it somewhere else, which in my case could be inside here. So I have more to add about myself. And for example, when you wanted to add a picture about yourself, let's say happy person, I go for images, and right here I'm gonna go for elements. Let's assume, for example, that this is us. So when I just put my image and I drag this directly into an actual template, usually the format will be applied right away. You can see how automatically all of these changes will be correctly added, and we don't have to do like a lot inside here. This is something that I truly loved about Canva, that we can do almost what we want to do, and there's nothing that we cannot do. So as you can see, it actually looks really well, right? So what I need to do now is to make, for example, more changes. I can put this a little bit more below inside here, or I can just delete all of these elements and into my actual experience, which in my case here is the actual information. I can now copy all of this and I can paste it directly inside here, right? So as you can see, the format actually works really fine. We don't have to do like a lot in and well, it actually works really fine. Now, what happens when I wanted to do this with the artificial intelligence, for example? The artificial intelligence is like most common and most easiest way to work with now into Canva. This is, for example, like version number 1. But let's focus now into the second version, right? The second version would be with artificial intelligence. So I'm going to head back directly into Canva, into the create section. Inside here, let's click into the left section. And here, usually where it says for, you just click directly inside here and you can focus directly with Canva code. But what I can suggest you is that instead of going for create, look out for the element that says Canva AI. And inside here, click for the element that says design. And inside here, let's go for design a resume with all of this info. Then I can copy all of my information, paste it directly inside here, and at the end or the beginning, for example, you wanted to tell, for example, what you're actually aiming for. So for example, let's say use bright colors, make this look with 2 pages, and add modern colors and designs. When I clicked into send, usually what's going to happen is that they're going to be submitting the actual information and the artificial intelligence will be making the actual template for me. Now, as you can see, the artificial intelligence will be using all of that information to paste it directly into the right section. It says I'll add 2 pages with the 3 main sections: education, certification, and professional projects, task completed. And you can see that we'll be checking out how the artificial intelligence has been working with all our actual info. Even what I can do is to keep what it says add more information. I can upload a picture of myself, let's say adapt it to the actual resume so I can put it on directly inside here. So when the Canva artificial intelligence has made all of those changes, for example, what you can do is to tell, for example, yes, I like this, but let's make more changes. Let's try to make this look a little bit different, or add more elements, or use the image that I just gave you to put it directly into the image, right? So basically here, what's going to happen here is, for example, let's say change the colors. So I add this picture of myself and adapt it. For example, of course, this is not me, but this is just an example that I'm going to be using to make the artificial intelligence work for me. So once you finish with this specific process, there's the last result that I can give you, or the last thing you wanted to do, is to download your actual resume. So as you can see, the actual changes has not been correctly done, right? So in my case, I go for show, I go for download. And inside the file type, really important to choose the element that says PDF. All the pages, digital, and go for download. When I finished, I can now check out my actual document and see if there's a few changes that I would love to do before I publish this. For example, put this a little bit much more bigger, try to put this here into the corner, or try to center it depending into what actually you're aiming for. And if you like what you're seeing here, then what you can do is to go for sure, go for download, PDF file, and you're good to go. So that's it, a professional resume built entirely for free in just a few minutes. If this helped you guys, let me know in the comments and subscribe for more sample Canva and tech tutorials inside here. Thank you for watching. See you next time.